Hello friends, how are you? Good morning, this is Jyoti. Welcome to Shri Purnima. Hope every day is in weekend mode. Today I have three sets of sarees. One is a Sana floral embroidery set, and the second one is a linen tissue sarees with embroidery, and the third one is Sana peacock and worked out embroidery worked sarees. So all of them are embroidery worked sarees. So I will go with the saree collection now. So this is saree number 1. Yeah, this is saree number 1. This fabric is Sana silk. So it's very lightweight and it's fabulous for shiny material. So this is saree number 1. It has the embroidery like this, the lotus embroidery in the body and full floral embroidery in the border part. So it's in the down part. This is full embroidery and also the zari border in both the ends. In the top end also the zari border, and in the bottom end is also it has the zari border. So I will open the saree for you now. So all over the saree, this is the pattern. So it has this kind of full floral embroidery, and in the bottom lower part it has this full embroidery design and the tissue zari border, and the blouse material comes as same as the saree color, but it also has the embroidery in all over the blouse piece and a zari border. So this is pink color. So this is how the blouse piece will be looking, and this is the saree. In the saree it has this kind of full embroidery work in the bottom part also. So the price of this saree is 1050 rupees, and the shipping charges is extra. I have two more color options in this one. So this is pink color and this is orange color. It's a peach color. It's a peach. It's not. It's a peach, peachish orange combination. So this is saree number 2 in this particular set, and this is green color, a light green color. So all of them are in the same design, and all of them has a self blouse with the same kind of embroidery. I will show you the embroidery work in the blouse also. So this is the embroidery. It's a thread and zari. Different combination buttas are embroidered. So this is saree. Pink one as a saree 1, 2 and 3. Please don't go with the number, because in every day we will be saying a saree number 1, 2, 3. So please come up with the screenshot of the saree for the enquiries. So this is saree set number 1 for today's. The price is 1050. So hope you can able to see all the colors in the design. So this is the saree design. I will show you the design again. So this is the top work. It has small embroidery work all over the body, and this is the bottom work. So this has a full designer embroidery all over the saree. No, it's not on the half pattern or something. All over the saree the same kind of embroidery is done, and it has a zari border also. The price of this saree is 1050, and we have 3 color options. One is the green, another is the orange, and other one is the pink. So these are the 3 color options. COD is also available. COD charges 120 rupees extra, which we need to pay with the courier agency. So saree cost plus shipping plus COD cost charges. For COD alone. Okay. For online payment, only the shipping charges is considered. 60 rupees shipping charges within Tamil Nadu, and outside Tamil Nadu it is 100 rupees. So the second set of saree is the linen tissue saree. So this is linen tissue saree. It has this kind of bird embroidery. So it has silver zari in the borders. One on the top is the small border, and the bottom is a big size border. So this has full silver zari work, and in the border and in the saree first half part we will be having the embroidery work. This is the bird embroidery work. So in the bottom part this kind of embroidery, and in the saree part this kind of small embroidery. So I will open up the saree for you now. The saree price is 1850. 1850 rupees. So this is how the top part of the saree will be looking. All of the sarees are pastel colors. These are pastel color sarees. So this has the pallu with, I will show you the pallu. Pallu is silver zari. So this is the pallu. So it has a silver zari running with the embroidery. So and also the blouse piece comes with the silver color with striped work. So this is the blouse piece. It has the striped lines in the border. This is a silver tissue blouse piece, and then the pallu also a plain silver zari pallu with the tassel works, and this is the embroidery work, and in the draping part you will be having the plain body and with the border, embroidered border. This is saree set number 2 for today's live. So this is linen tissue. The fabric is linen tissue. It's very soft. Even though it is a tissue saree, it's very soft because the mixture is linen. The price of this one is 1850. We have 3 more color options in this particular design. So the first one is sandal color, a beige color. Second one is a grey color. Just a minute, I will fold out the saree so that you can able to see the first saree also. So this is saree number one in this particular set, and the second one is the grey color, and the third one is light blue, sky blue color. And the fourth, it has a different embroidery pattern, this kind of bird embroidery. So this alone is different one, but the fabric and all the other details, the pallu, blouse piece, everything comes the same one. So the price of these sarees are 1850. Shipping charges is extra. Yeah, the shipping charges is extra. This is the color combinations available in this particular design. The fabric is linen tissue. It's soft and the work is embroidered. So the next set, I'm moving to the next set of the saree. So the next one is again a Sana designer saree. The designing work from the first one and the second one is a little different. In this particular saree, the blouse is also heavily designed. I will show you the blouse piece first. So, excuse me. So this is the blouse piece. As you can see, the work, embroidery work in the blouse piece is heavily designed. So this is the blouse piece, and even in the plain part of the blouse, you will having this kind of small embroidery buttas, and this is the hand part. Okay, the hand and the border part. This is in the blouse. Okay, this comes contrast. This is a blouse piece for this particular saree. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, excuse me again. So this is saree. So this is saree. You have a single border. It's one side border, and you have this peacock butta in the border. And this is the pallu. This pallu, you have this kind of lines embroidered. This is embroidery lines, okay, embroidered in the pallu. And in the body part, you have the plain first part, and in the border you have the embroidered, and the border you have the embroidery. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. My throat got dried up. So this is saree number 1 in the third set. The price of this saree is 1100. The blouse comes very heavily embroidered. So this is one, and I have one more color in this particular set. It's a pink with grey combination. The details are same. You have the embroidery in the blouse piece, and even in the hand part and the border part you have heavily embroidered. This is the hand you will be getting in the blouse piece. So The same kind of works in the body part also, and in the, yeah, and this is the bottom part. So it has a peacock embroidered in the bottom. It's a one side border, the sari. So this is sari number 1 and 2 in this particular set. So please come up with the screenshot for the enquiries. Whoever is having enquiry, please take the screenshot of the sari and please come to WhatsApp me at 9150556780, which I have given in the description field. So these are the collections which I have for today. Happy weekend, guys. So thanks for watching. I will come up with the next set of sarees over the next week. Thank you.